I was just a newbie, walking through the halls. Karnor's castle looming, shadows on the walls. Pulling mobs in the distance, couldn't hear the sound. Then I felt the quake beneath me, something coming around. The halls they echo, my heart starts to race. A shadow's creeping closer, a sudden deadly chase. I turn to run, but the train's already there. I'm stuck in the middle, no way to prepare. It's a train, they're coming down the line. 100 mobs, they're all on my mind. Can't stop, can't hide, no place to stay. In the dark of Karnor's castle where I pray. It's a train, and I'm on the track. Can't outrun, can't fight, gotta turn back. In the depths of the castle where the shadows play, there's no escape from the train today. I tried to zone, I tried to flee, but the train's already speeding, it's a guarantee. The scream of a drake, the clang of steel, each step a nightmare, no way to heal. The guards are chasing, the mob's on my tail. I'm running through the corridors, but I'm bound to fail. A slip, a trip, and I'm on the ground. The whole damn castle's shaking, and I'm about to drown. It's a train coming faster now. I'm stuck in this nightmare, can't find a way out. The mobs shouting, I can hear them all. In the heart of Karnor's castle, I'm bound to fall. It's a train, and I'm on the run. The clock is ticking, can't see the sun. In the dark of the dungeon, there's no light of day, just the terror of the train in my way. Maybe I'll call for help, maybe I'll shout, but by the time they hear me, I'll be wiped out. It's too late now, the train's rolling in, and all I can do is hope I've got a friend. It's a train, and I'm feeling the heat. 100 mobs with only one thing to greet. I'm running through the corridors, can't catch my breath. In the halls of Karnor, I'll meet my death. It's a train, no time to stay. In the depths of the dungeon when the shadows play. A final sprint, but the door's locked tight, and the train's coming in. I'm lost to the night.